Good evening. My name is Marjorie Cabral, and today I will be showing you the pathway of a cheeseburger that I ate earlier. Okay, so whenever we put food in our mouth, it starts from the mouth and then it finishes up all the way to the anal canal. Okay, so let's start with cheeseburger going into our mouth. When it goes into our mouth, the cheeseburger gets chopped down into smaller pieces by the teeth, and then the tongue pushes it, okay? And then the saliva moisten it. That way we are tasting the food that we are eating. After it gets chopped down and the tongue is pushing it back to the pharynx, okay? From the pharynx, it goes down to the esophagus, which is right here. Okay? And then from the esophagus, it goes down to the stomach. Our stomach is around here. So, in the stomach, our cheeseburger becomes a chime. A chime, the stomach, because the stomach is like a wall of muscle, a very strong muscle. And then it churns the food and makes it into a chime. It mixes the stomach juice in it, it mixes it, okay, and then it makes it into a chime. It's like a soup of food, okay. So from the stomach, little by little, that food of chime goes through the pyloric sphincter. From the pyloric sphincter, a sphincter is like a hole, okay, but it has control on it. So little by little, it brings food to the small intestine, okay. The small intestine cannot have a whole big lot of chime. So it has to be little by little that the pyloric sphincter will let go and bring food to the small intestine. The small intestine is now consisted of three parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. While this chime in the small intestine is being digested, the liver and the gallbladder. The liver excretes bile, okay? And then the gallbladder stores this bile and then let go or excretes the bile that is needed of the body when we need to digest food. And then at the same time, the pancreas also release enzymes that helps to break down the fats. No, I'm sorry, it's the bile that breaks down the fats. Okay? So in the small intestine, the carbohydrates, the proteins, the lipids, the nucleic acids, vitamins, minerals, and water, they're all getting absorbed. The intestine absorbs them out and sends them to, as our body needs it, sends them out to the blood, okay? And then when the small intestine is done with digesting, it releases it. This chime goes through the ileocecal. From the ileocecal, it's also like a sphincter. It goes down from the ileocecal. It goes down to the large intestine. Now, the large intestine consists of two parts: the cecum and the colon. So from there, there's more digestion that's being done. And then vitamin K is being produced in the large intestine. Okay? So, and some more vitamins is being produced in the large intestine. And then from the large intestine, this now is not a chine anymore. In the large intestine, it becomes a fecal form. Okay? So from the large intestine, this fecal form goes to the rectum and then goes out to the anal canal. And so that's our pathway of the cheeseburger that I ate earlier. Okay, you have a good day and I hope you like it. Thank you.